Welcome back to Building with Boba. Today we're going to be making a diamond in onshape. So, first, creating a document. This project is actually relatively simple. So, first, normal 2 to the top plane, sketch, select sketch plane, and I'm going to draw 2 circles. Actually, just 1 circle right now. Extrude it. This will determine basically your whole height of the diamond, so you want to make it pretty large. Mine's around 3 inches. Again, that's because the radius of this circle is so big. If I made it smaller, proportionally, it'll be similar to this. Then I'm going to make a sketch on the top of this plane. Oops. So I press the sketch button, click on this, press V normal to sketch plane. There we go. New circle, center as always. And this one's going to be like around half of the radius of the original. So something like that would work fine. Again, dimensions don't really matter because it's just creative process and whatever, but it's relatively halfway in between. Cool. Next, we actually click on the top plane and we're going to offset the plane. We're going to offset it around 2/3 the height, so it's around, if my entire thing is 2 inches, now this one's at 1.8, slightly less, and you'll see why in a second. And now we have another plane. I'm going to offset that one, but that one's only going to be offsetted 0.2 inches. Or actually 0.1. Okay, now we're going to do another sketch. Select the front plane, and we're going to draw a line from, press this up arrow a bit. Or actually, let's see. Oops, what am I doing? I'll undo that. Let's see, how do I show this? Okay, yeah, that works well. I'll show it like that. So, you're going to use this up arrow. Actually, it's the down arrow. I don't know if we discussed this, but in the view box thing, it's kind of like you have to press the opposite button to go up and down. So this button actually goes down, this one actually goes up, and same with the left and right. So, I'm going to press this down arrow. We're going to click on this circle, the edge of it. If I zoom in here, you'll see I'm clicking right there. Hard to really describe what I'm saying. Then I'm going to press on the front plane, so I get a good angle. And I'm going to click it at the edge of this line, right here. Then I'm going to press the escape, make another line. That line's going to go from here to the bottom. and press done. Oh, actually, you're not done. So I'm going to go back to sketch 3 by double clicking on this. Then you got to connect those two lines. Cool. Then you draw a line outwards from here. Draw a line here. And draw a line there. Now we are going to press the button we're going to press this extrude button, and we'll press the top plane so you can see easily. Press symmetric, and depending on how big your thing is, you want to drag it out until it completely cuts through at 2 points here, this box. And make sure you're going to click remove instead of add. So then you see it looks something like that. So now it kind of looks like that. At this point, there's only a few steps left, so just follow along. You will press yes. So up here, instead of linear pattern, you want to press the down arrow and press circular pattern. Then change instead of it saying part pattern, say feature pattern, and click on extrude 2 and the axis of pattern. Oh, I forgot this step. I guess I have to go back and demonstrate it, which is okay. So almost always with these revolve steps, you have to have an axis, and I have to draw one. So I'm going to go back to front plane, sketch, and it's really simple. All I do is just draw a line from the origin to the top of the diamond. Cool. Now circular pattern, change it feature, select extrude 2, or you can click on, and then click on axis of pattern and select on the line you just made. Now it'll look kind of red and stuff. Make sure to follow these settings I just showed right now. So instant count, it should be 8, and apply per instance. And press enter. Also, if you wanted to make it like have more sides to it, you can. It's whatever you want, kind of. So let's see. Let's say if it was just 3, that's what it looks like. Looks very strange. Kind of cool, actually. I kind of like it, but it's obviously not a diamond at that point. You'd have to add at least like 5 to make it, or let's see, 4. You'd have to have 4 or more kind of for it to look like a diamond. But 8 is like the optimal number. That's the normal amount of cuts diamonds have. And that's a pretty cool looking diamond. Obviously, since this is 3D printing, you're just making one out of plastic, not out of carbon. But that's okay. And again, we're going to get a good picture of it. Instead of hiding all these planes because there's a bunch of them, what you could also do is right click on one and press hide all planes. Makes it much easier. Then make sure you hide any of the sketches that might be showing still, and or the origin. Lastly, I can always change the appearance, edit appearance for shape 1. I don't know really what these settings do, but let's see what they change. And let's just make it, I guess diamonds are just going to be a pearl white color. Let's see. Yeah, these settings don't really change how it looks to me. Yep. Anyways, pretty cool diamond, I would say. And of course, you could find this online. There's tons of diamond templates, but it's pretty cool to make your own stuff. That's the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.